Today we're changing the vanity lights in this 2018 Subaru Crosstrek. This should work for other models as well, like the Impreza. There's a little entry point on the bottom that you can put your plastic trim removal tool into, and then you pry it out. Now let's remove this bulb. Careful, it's going to be hot. I bought some Diode Dynamics LED bulbs with the single LED element on the front. They also sell a version with 2 LEDs on it, but I didn't need all that brightness. I'm putting it here. It does not light up, so I'm turning it around. There we go. Make sure it faces forward. Oh yeah, that's plenty bright. And push that in, we're all set. Here's the other side. Now there's a slight D shape to this lens. The whole thing with mirror and lens combined is biggest right in the center, and as it gets to the edges, it gets smaller. So where it's the smallest, that goes towards the outside. Once you have it oriented correctly, there's 2 tabs on each side, and you just put those 2 tabs up into their holes and push in the other ones. Alright, we're all set. They look good. Now I will say the one downside to these is that there's a very precise little dot in the middle. So this is glowing real big in the center, but it was actually doing in person to the human eye. See this little green dot here, this lens artifact? That's about how big the actual dot that you see as a human is. It's not this big. It is slightly piercing, but I do prefer the look over the incandescent bulbs that were in there originally. Before we finish this up though, let's come back to this at night so I can see if I can see myself in the mirror at night. Alright, that looks good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Car Simplified video.